Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Bob YouTube channel. This channel is perfect for beginner English learner. If you're a beginner and clicked on this video, you're in the right place. Wanna sound more natural when speaking English? Shadowing helps you to speak smoothly like native. Listen closely and repeat after me. Let's go! Hey, do you have a minute? I just wanted to ask you something real quick. I'm thinking about going to the movies tonight. Would you like to come with me? Let me know, no pressure at all. Pro tip: focus on the rhythm, not just the words. Shadowing is about matching tone, stress, and speed, just like you're copying the music of the language. Repeat this video at least 3 times a day. Comment next if you finish this practice. See you in another video, and then the last I say, Mr. Bob, super seru!